Hey guys, it's me, Hassel with WTI, and who doesn't need a fruit and vegetable peeler in the kitchen? This is the one I use from BIUDECO. This is a fruit peeler and potato grater or vegetable peeler, and I love how sturdy this product is. I am a very practical person, so when it comes to peeling my fruits and vegetables, I am always looking to find the right tool to do so, not just a simple knife. And so this one is made of stainless steel, so it's pretty durable. It makes it so easy for me to peel everything I'm gonna use whenever I'm gonna make a meal. The handle is pretty comfortable to hold, that I love and appreciate. I think this is a great product to have in every single kitchen, since we all need to peel vegetables or fruits sometimes. And if you want to have a good experience peeling your vegetables and fruits, this one is such a great option, and that is my point of view.